G'day, I'm David Magner. I'm the ganger on the water and sewer construction team here in Casino. We're currently replacing the water main here in Farley Street, in between Centre Street and Walker Street, which is roughly about 200 metres of main. This should take us roughly about 2 to 3 weeks. The basic principle is we got to pick a new site for the main, and then we have to dig the trench to roughly about 800 mil in depth to give us 600 mil of cover over the top of our new assets. We have to put a sand bed under our main and then cover our main with 100 mil of sand before backfilling. We also lay new services into each property, so everyone has all new piping going to their meters. So this is the main cock, which comes off the main, goes to each individual house, so we can turn off the house to work on or repair any of the lead-ins to the house. So we can, instead of turning off the whole street, we can turn off one individual house. And then the polyline goes up the trench to the new meter tap. Here's another meter main cock off the main, where we've drilled under the road, so that way we don't disturb the road, and then trenched in to put the new meter tap on the other side of the road.